Hi students, good afternoon to all. So welcome back to our physics class. In last class we have completed our first chapter in chemistry. Now in total we complete for one chapter in physics and one chapter in chemistry. Now we can move to our second chapter in physics. In your text I think it's 13th chapter. So physics second chapter we can move to that chapter, motion and time. Before moving to this, we can discuss what we have studied in our last chapter, last physics chapter, what we have studied. What we have studied in our last chapter, we studied about, or you have studied in your last year, about some types of motions. Periodic motions, rectilinear motions or circular motion, etc. Here a table is given and you should write which types of motion takes place in each situation. Some examples of motions have given and also the type of motion, whether it is rectilinear, whether it is circular or whether it is periodic motion. You are well known about it. I think you all are knowing about it. What is rectilinear motion? The motion taking place along a straight line is called rectilinear motion. Now, what is circular motion? The motion, rotating motion of an object is called circular motion. Now, what is periodic motion? When the motion takes place to and fro in a certain intervals of time, then we can say that it's a periodic motion. Can you give some common examples for rectilinear motion or circular motion, periodic motion, etc.? For circular motion, the rotation of fan is a simple example. The fan remains constant. While we are looking at a fan, we can say that it is at a constant position. But at the moment it starts its rotation, the blade part, the one part of the fan gets rotated. And such rotation, such motion is called circular motion. Now, an example for rectilinear motion. What is rectilinear motion? The motion taking place takes along a straight line. The motion taking place in a straight line is called rectilinear motion. March past of soldiers or moving of cars or vehicles in a straight road. They all are examples of a rectilinear motion. Now, what's an example for periodic motion? The to and fro motion of a pendulum or the child sitting on a swing. These all are examples for periodic motion. Have you seen pendulum, to and fro motion of a pendulum? If you have not yet seen, tie a stone to one end of a thread and just tilt it. Then you can say that the thread will move to and fro. So it's a to and fro motion of a pendulum. The same will happen in the case of a pendulum. These all are the things you have already studied. So in the first part itself, in your text, they ask you to complete a table. So you should complete that table and send it to me. It's your work. Today's work is that you should just complete that table. I will just explain it one time. Then after that you can write in your note or in your text. You can complete it in text itself, no problem. But you must send it to me. In your text, some examples are given. Examples for motion. First example, soldiers in a march past. Soldiers in a march past. Which type of motion is that? As I have already mentioned you that soldiers in a march past. Have you seen march past done by soldiers or parades? Have you seen? It all takes place in a straight line. So we can say that the type of motion is along a straight line, or the motion along a straight line we can call it as rectilinear motion. So it is of type rectilinear motion. Next one, bullock or moving on a straight road. As I have already told that vehicles moving in a straight road is a rectilinear motion. So in the same manner we can say this is also a rectilinear motion because here the roller car is moving in a straight road. Then it takes straight path. So we can say that it's a rectilinear motion. Now hands of an athlete in a race. Have you seen race or athletes running in a race? While running, their hands will go to and fro in a continuous way. In a certain intervals of time, their hands will go to and fro while doing while in between their race. So here the motion is a to and fro motion. We can say that when the to and fro motion, it's a periodic motion. So here hands of an athlete in a race is periodic motion. The next one is pedal of a bicycle in motion. Pedal of a bicycle in motion. Why we use its pedals? We know that we are continuously rotating it. While we ride a bicycle, you notice that the pedals will be continuously rotating. So we can say that it's a type of circular motion. It's in a circular path. So we can say that it's a type of circular motion. The next one is motion of a swing. As I already said that motion of a swing. It's a periodic motion. While we sit in a swing and just move, we can say that it will go to and fro. So we can say that it's a periodic motion. The next one is motion of a pendulum. As I have already discussed with you that the motion of a pendulum, which is a to and fro motion of a pendulum, is a periodic motion. The type of the motion is periodic motion. And one more example, I think in your text, the rotation or the earth revolving around or the revolving of planets. It's all in a circular path. So it's a circular motion. So these all are the things which we have already studied in last year. I think you all studied this in your last year 6th class. You have to study about it. So these are the things which you have already studied and I just recall your memory now. Now you are familiar with, you have recalled your memory and you are familiar with periodic motion, rectilinear motion and circular motion. Okay, then we can just move to the next topic.